Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs on the stove. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for extra richness, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a whisk or fork, and a rubber spatula ready. Crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined, creating a uniform yellow mixture. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to just begin to set. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center of the pan, letting the uncooked egg flow underneath. The key to creamy scrambled eggs is gentle, continuous movement. Keep folding and pushing the eggs from the edges to the center, allowing them to cook evenly. This process should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the eggs to be mostly set, but still look slightly moist and glossy. Remember, eggs continue to cook even after they are off the heat, so remove them from the stove just before they reach your desired consistency to avoid dry, rubbery eggs. Your perfectly scrambled eggs are ready. Immediately transfer them from the hot pan to a warm plate to stop the cooking process and maintain their creamy texture. If you like, you can garnish them with some fresh chives or an extra sprinkle of black pepper for added flavor. Serve your delicious, fluffy scrambled eggs hot alongside some crispy toast, savory bacon, or any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your easy, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.